Hello and welcome. Ever wondered how you can build an AI chatbot that actually knows your business? One that can answer specific questions about your products and blog posts, all while remembering your conversation. Today, I'm breaking down our n8n workflow that does exactly that. This is the brain behind the chat widget on our website. It all starts right here with the webhook node. When a visitor on our website types a message like, "Do you have a Facebook template?" That message is sent here to this webhook in real time. The first thing we do is find context. We don't just send the question to the AI, we take the user's message and immediately send it to this Supabase vector store node. This node searches our entire website, all our posts, our pages, and even our Fluent Cart products for the most relevant information. If it finds a match, it pulls that document, including its title and URL. Next, we make the bot smart. We use the Postgres chat memory node. This node takes the user's unique session ID and looks up their entire past conversation. This way, the AI knows what you were talking about 5 minutes ago. Now we have all our ingredients. We use a set fields node to neatly package everything up: the user's new question, the relevant documents we just found, and the past chat history. This is the main event. We send all that data to the AI agent node, which is powered by Google's Gemini. And this is where the magic happens. We give it a strict system prompt that acts as its rulebook. We tell it, "You are a professional assistant. Be concise. If it's a greeting, just say hello. If it's a question, use the documents to answer. And always format the length as clickable markdown." The AI agent generates the perfect short answer. Like, "Yes, we have a Facebook template. You can get it here." This answer is then sent to the respond to webhook node, which fires it right back to the user's chat window. And on the website, our script turns that markdown into a clickable link. But you might be asking, how did the website data get into Supabase in the first place? We use a second n8n workflow for that. This second flow runs on a schedule every 30 seconds. It uses HTTP request nodes to check WordPress for any posts, pages, or products that have been recently updated. If it finds any, it takes that text, converts it into vector embeddings using the LangChain nodes, and stores it in our Supabase database, ready for the chatbot to search. So, with just 2 workflows, we have an always in-sync, professional AI agent that acts as the perfect expert on our entire website. So that's the complete system. It's not just a demo. It's the exact high-performance technology we use to power our own business. It's a setup that turns your entire website into an expert available 24/7. We've packaged this entire chat workflow and the website sync workflow into one of our premium n8n templates. You get the full code, the AI prompts, the database functions, and a step-by-step guide to get this running on your own site in minutes, not days. But this system is just one of the automation solutions we're passionate about. We're constantly exploring new ways to integrate AI with everyday business tools like Fluent CRM, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. If you want to see those breakdowns, get more free templates, and learn how to truly supercharge your business with automation, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at instantreply.com. All our templates and detailed guides are waiting for you.